Matteo! 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 Bet you can't name this one.
Scimpanzini bananini.
Send this to someone who looks like.
Scimpanzini bananini.
Anyways, I bet you can't get this one. Frulli frulla. Un pinguino nel deserto che fa bla bla bla. Here's another one. Tung 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 sahur. If you got them correct so far, you need to drop a like and comment at the end of the video, saying how many you got correct, yuppie. You definitely can't get this one. Lirili larila. Elefante nel deserto che cammina qua e là. What about this one? Brr brr patapim, il mio cappello è pieno di slim. Drop a follow to become a brain rot master. This is the last and hardest one. You're definitely not getting this one. Put your guesses in the comments.